How to change WhatsApp profile picture. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find our name at the top and tap on it. In appearance menu, we can edit our profile photo, name, phone number, and description. If you want to edit profile photo, you need to click on circle with text Add photo. Now you can take a photo or just choose photo. For example, I will tap on choose photo and select photo from my gallery for profile picture. Then just tap on choose at the right corner at the bottom. And that's all. It was how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.